February 9, 2022. An unarmed Brahmos supersonic cruise missile from India flew into Pakistan territory and crashed into Mir Chanu area, a good 124 kilometers deep inside Pakistan territory. Initial reports from Pakistan media shown it as an aircraft crash. However, after 24 hours, Pakistan could know the exact cause of destruction at Mir Chanu and announce it in a DGISPR press meet as a missile impact. A delayed press conference by Pakistan military indicated that Pakistan had no clue about firing of Brahmos missile and could not able to track it, let alone the interception of the missile by Pakistan Air Defence Network. To save the skin of Pakistan military, a wrong flight path of missile was presented to media. The Chinese air defense system simply could not track the fast-moving Brahmos at fast place. Same thing happened during the Balakot air strikes by India. The intrusion of Indian Air Force fighters into Pakistan airspace could not be detected by Pakistan Air Defence Network. Brahmos misfiring incident has created some uproar in Pakistan establishment, and audit of all air defence network of Pakistan has been ordered by government. There were some news reports that Pakistan had prepared for some retaliation, but backed out of it in the last moment. So what are the Pakistan options? Can Pakistan fire a cruise missile like Babur into Indian territory in the pretext of misfiring, as done by India in case of Brahmos? Answer may be a yes, but big no at the moment for Pakistan. Unlike Brahmos, the Babur is a cruise missile with subsonic speed. Babur is a reverse-engineered product of Tomahawk cruise missile developed by Pakistan with help of China. Subsonic cruise missile can be intercepted by point defense system as it is happening in Russia-Ukraine war. Some experts feel that India had done deliberately to test the effectiveness of Pak and Chinese air defense network. If this is true, then India had a confidence that Brahmos could not be intercepted by existing Pakistan air defense system. Had Pakistan able to intercept the Brahmos, then the effectiveness of the India's main weapon system would be dented and credibility of Chinese air defense system would be reached sky high. Let us discuss the possibility of misfiring of Babur cruise missile by Pakistan into Indian territory. As per the India-Pakistan border map, many military infrastructure are located along the international boundary both in Indian side as well as Pakistan side. These locations of India are protected by large network of modern high-powered radars in a network-centric configuration which can see hundreds kilometers deep inside Pakistan territory. India's first line of defense is long-range Swordfish AESA, L-band radar which can detect objects as far as 1500 km. This is the part of ballistic missile defense system network for high-value targets like capital and major military installations. These high-powered radar can detect as small as tennis ball size object. There are aerostat radars also deployed by IAF along the Indo-Pak border. The second line of defense is the recently procured S-400 air defense network which has a radar coverage of 600 km and interception range of 400 km. It gives protection against, starting from low-flying objects up to cruise missiles and ballistic missiles. The third line of defense is Barak 8 MRSAM which has an interception range of 70 km. In addition to this, there are low and medium level air defense system operated by India like Akash Air Defense System and Spider Air Defense System, which gives point defense and is a last line of defense. So penetrating these multi-layered defense system would not be easy for Babur cruise missile. Misfiring of the Babur cruise missile into Indian territory will have multiple impacts for Pakistan. If it is intercepted by the Indian air defense which has the maximum probability, the effectiveness of Babur cruise missile would be lost. The second impact will be the credibility of command and control system of Pakistan missile and nuclear arsenal which always remained question mark for the world.